There's a lot of different strange noises that HVAC equipment can make. It's equipment, it runs, it turns off, it turns on, it has issues. So if there's things that you're hearing that aren't normal, that you haven't heard before, again, it's a perfect time to get a maintenance done, a tune-up on your air conditioner or furnace. We're gonna do the required maintenance, clean all the sensors, clean the coils, check for the proper airflow, check for the proper refrigerant, all of the things we do, but we're also gonna address the noise that you're hearing and see if it's normal or if it needs to be fixed or repaired or replaced.